Hi guys, here we have our Volkswagen Cabrio and today we are doing our coolant pressure test on this car. The first step to check a coolant pressure, we need a coolant pressure tester. In this case, we have a pump and that contains a gauge. This gauge indicates how much pressure is in the coolant tank. And on the bottom, we have a adapter right here, and these adapters are for the different reservoirs. Second step to check our coolant pressure, we need to look for a coolant pressure tank, and it's right here. Now we have to look for the coolant pressure. To check the coolant pressure, you must look on the reservoir cap or the car manual. For this car, coolant pressure is 22 psi. First step to do a coolant pressure test, to take a reservoir cap off. After taking the reservoir cap off, as you can see, here's a thread on the outside. Now, we need to look for the adapter. As you can see in the top row, there all adapters are for the pushing one, and the all others are inner threads. And we just have a two for the outer threads. Now it's time to look for the right side. Now I'm gonna try the blue one on it. Hopefully it's fit. Yeah, it's fit. You just need to tighten them. Make sure the cap is fully tight because we don't want any coolant leaking out. Now it's time to grab a pump. And at the end of this hole, we have a coupling on it that you need to pull it up and put it on the reservoir cap and release it. Make sure the hose is fully tightened and secure. If you look at the gauge, for this car, coolant pressure is 22 psi. We need to pump it up till it goes to 22 psi. Now we need to pump it up. So as I'm pumping it up, I'm gonna stop doing pumping it up at 22 psi. And after that, I'm gonna wait for a 3 minutes to check the pressure. If pressure drops in a 3 minutes, then that means there is a leaking. If pressure doesn't drop, then it's good. Now, as you can see, it's almost on 22 psi. And now I'm gonna wait for a 3 minutes. As you can see, after 3 minutes, pressure is still on 22 psi. Now, that means we don't have any leakage and we are good. After doing the coolant pressure test, if this is good, then it's time to take off the pump off. Now to take the pump off, you first need to press the button to release the pressure, because if you don't release the pressure and if you move the cap off, coolant will be everywhere. If there is any leaking right here, you have to look for the source and try to solve the problem. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.